All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at INTC, okay, Intel Corp. I've been covering this one a lot in the Discord over the past couple months, charting it out. This was the original buy zone I had, okay? It was basically from around 50 down to worst case, if we could have headed down to like 44. We found some nice support here at 48 bucks, which was also about the projected move for this bear flag that we had charted up, that I initially had right here, bear flag. Okay. So, that took us down. The reason I'm showing you guys this right now is because we're looking at the weekly chart. Okay. All right. And, we can see here over the past 3 years, it's kind of just been trading in this range here. Um, you know, just going up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and extend it to the left real quick just so you can see a little bit better. It's pretty much traded up and down in between here this entire time. Okay. So, this was a good buy zone for me when we were on the lower half of this, this channel, this sideways, pattern, right? Then it makes sense. Okay, well, start adding once we get close to the bottom, because then we're going to go back up to the top and you can sell up here. Okay. So two things I like on it is we have some bullish that we have kind of like a bullish divergence channel almost currently on INTC weekly chart. Okay. Now this will affect things on a larger time scale. Okay, so this could take a month, a couple months, a few months, to really play out, right? To stay in this bullish channel, but this bullish divergence channel, and to like kind of see the effects from it. But it already has rallied very impressively. Okay, if we look from the lows of end of October up to the highs that it hit today, it was about 18%. Okay, that's a nice move in a stock like INTC. So, just notice how basically at this high, right? We're going down here, we're going down here on the price level, okay? But the RSI is going up at each of these levels. Okay, so while the price action is saying we're going down, the RSI is saying we're going up. That's what's known as bullish divergence, and that is an indicator that there could be bullish activity in the future. Okay, it's not like a guarantee. It's not meant to be like a buy signal. Okay, I didn't, I'm not getting into this right now because of that. I'll actually show you when we got into it. I'll give you a sneak peek of the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. Okay, the link to join will be in the description below. And if you guys want to trade with us, gain access to all of the resources, go ahead and join the OTT Discord. All right, use code Zachly for a discount. So we're gonna look here at a tab called the Golden Sweeps, and this is info that most retail traders don't have. Okay, this is what you gain access to in the OTT. Is not just my opinions, okay, or someone else's opinions. One of the other admins is valuable data that you can use to give you an edge in the market. That's what's going to make you successful and give you an edge over other retail traders. So basically what we have is the golden sweeps tab, right? There's a sweeps tab, golden sweeps. There's a whole Intel tab. Okay. And you can see there's news feed, stock buy, sweeps, golden sweeps, unusual activities, equity block, and dark pool. Tons and tons of valuable resources in there. Okay. So anyways, let's get down to it. So there was someone yesterday at 11 a.m. Okay, most likely a big institution. Okay, filled this order. It was worth $1.1 million in premium, and it tells you, what strike price they chose. So they chose the 50 call options that expire, in 07/15/2022, right? And they bought it for around 1,790 a contract, or I'm sorry, they bought 1,789 of them at $6 a contract, and that would be roughly about $600 a contract. Okay, so that was equivalent to $1.1 million. And then I posted some suggestion plays. Okay, I got in one of these suggestion plays, and a few other members got into to these suggestion plays. So I suggested the INTC 50 calls, and I put, hey, this was a golden sweep. And then I put a cheaper option, right? That was a little bit more risky, but would pay a lot more, let's say, than the INTC 50 calls. Okay, it's much more volatile because it's an out of the money calls for call option. It was the 65 calls that expire 07/15 2022, right? And those ones only cost $124 a contract versus, you know, when I posted the other one, it was worth $610 a contract at the time, right? And then I also posted a nice debit spread, you know, that you guys could do. And this is just how Robinhood looks at. I like taking screenshots on Robinhood to show, you know, some debit spreads. It breaks it down real easy. That one cost $52, right? Then your max profit is 448. So that's almost a 10x on your money, about 1000%. That's insane. You know, that is, of course, the max profit if it's trading above $70. You know, at the end of what is that, July 15th. Okay. So, you know, that's kind of the info that you guys will get. And I'll give you another sneak peek over here at QCOM. If you look to the right side right here, let me try to make this a little bit bigger for you. That didn't work. All right, so QCOM right here, tons and tons of money going in QCOM. There's the equity blocks and dark pool tab right there. You see all these calls coming in and the sweeps channel. Somebody just there, and it's telling you at one time, 10:42 a.m. Somebody spent 23,000 on call options. 10:42 a.m. Someone spent $388,000 on call options. 10:36 a.m. Someone spent $17.8 million on call options on QCOM. And it's telling you what contracts they got, when they expire, what strike price, and everything. So, you know, this data is just one of the many, many things that is going to help give you an edge in the market and make you a better trader, along you know, with a really great community and team that's all trying to spot things and trying to use the data and help each other give each other an edge. Okay, we're all sharing plays together, you know, and ideas and things like that. That's how you grow. All right, so let's go ahead and look at those call options real quick. Let's see what those INTC, where was it? Not these. They had July. Oh, I'm on SPY. That's why. July 15th. Let's go there. All right, so look, we can look today, the call options that I suggested yesterday. Okay, we'll pull that back up. All right, so we'll go to suggestion plays. INTC 65 calls expire 07/15/2022 at 1.24. Okay, currently, if we go click on the 65 calls expiring, you know, that same expiration date, and you wanted here, let's just hit sell. I'm not holding this in this day trading account right now. You know, if you wanted to sell one right now, you could sell it for $1.75. Okay, so if you would have put in $1,200 into that, you would have made $500 in one day on you know, just one day. All right, just off of the data and the intel from the options trading tycoons channel. All right, so don't forget, link to join description below. Use code Zachly, get yourself a discount, and let us know from the YouTube channel. Let us know you're new. Very welcoming. Peace out.